Hello everyone, I am Gautami from Indrayani English School. Today we will see how to set a paper with a famous website testmos.com. So we'll start here. Double click on Google Chrome, whatever browser you have in your mobile, use that browser. Then open the site testmos.com. Type testmos.com in Google address bar. Press enter. Okay. Then click on build a test for free. This window will display on your screen. So enter here test name. Suppose I am setting this paper for 4th standard and my paper is of subject computer. So I will give name computer test. Then you have to type here password. So choose any password. I will give the password standard 4 here, std4. Then see here, this test is free for 100 responses, means 100 student can solve this test. If more than 100 student will try to solve this test, what happen? The initial student get disappear. So this is the free version. We are using the free version of the testmos. Now click on create test. Okay. Now on the screen 4 options will display. The first one is adjust setting, where we can adjust the setting of our question paper. Add question, where we can add the question in our question paper. Publish and distribute. Here we can get the URL to distribute our paper. And view result, where we can view the result of the student or how many student will appear that test. So we will start from adjust setting. Click on adjust setting. See here upside is an header portion. Whatever you want at the top, at the header, that will display here. So I will write my school name here, Indrayani English School. Okay, Indrayani English School. I am setting this paper for first unit test for standard 4, and obviously the subject is computer. So I will write all these things in the header part. Your school name, even it is a class state or you are setting paper for unit test or first term, class and subject. Okay, then go down. In the color scheme, they provide 4 color scheme. Whatever you want, you choose. I will select third one. Then question setting. Show all the test question on one page. Okay, means if in your test, if there are 6 questions, all the questions will display one by one. Show one question per page. In this setting, one question will display per page. So I want all the question on one page. Then randomize the order of the question during the test. Means what happened, for each and every student the question sequence will change. If you don't want to change the question sequence, so just deselect this option. Then at the end of the test, display the user score. Indicate if the response was correct or incorrect, means it will show that students answers are correct or incorrect, how many marks they will get, even the answers are correct or incorrect, which answer is the correct one. So if you don't want to show these things, just uncheck these things. I want to show, so I will check this. Now here, how many times can someone take your text? Means one student can appear this text only one time. So enter 1 here. Okay, okay, as soon as the setting will over, click on save. Here you can set your question paper. So I will select the question type from here. Click on this arrow. These graded questions are free one, and survey and graded questions and other are the paid. So I will use the free one. Multiple choice. We will see one by one. So type your question here. I will type, this is my computer paper, so I will type some computer related questions. Which of the following is an input device? So first choice I will type here, plotter, then touchpad, printer, projector. I don't want last one, so delete this. Okay, now see, the answer is touchpad, so check it. The answer is only one touchpad, so just check it. At the time of setting the paper, you have to set the answers. Okay, now this question carry 1 point. You can change the point also, so I will keep it 1 like this. Then second question, I will select true or false. A keyboard is an output device. Whether it is true or false. Keyboard is not an output device, it is input device, so I just check to false. False is an answer. This carry 1 point. Then next one, filling the blanks. Computer is an electronic. Now see, what is the answer? Actually device is the answer. Okay, you can add one more possible answer. If any possible answers are there, you can add all the possible answers. So at the time of setting the question paper, you have to set the answers. Then next one, match. Match the following. First one, keyboard. Second, monitor. Hard disk. Okay, I don't want a fourth one, so delete this fourth one. Here also, output device. Then input device. Then storage device. Now we will set the answers here. Keyboard, answer of first one is input device, so select second. Then answer of monitor, Answer of monitor is an output device, so select first one. And answer of hard disk is storage device, so from here select third one. So here at the time of setting the question paper, you have to set the answers. Okay, all answers set. Then take one more question, that is of essay type. Essay means long answer question, so I will type here one question. Write a note on supercomputer. Okay, now see, this will carry 2 marks, and match the following question will carry 3 marks. Okay, now see here, question 1 carry 1 mark, question 2 carry 1, question 3 carry 1 mark, question 4 carry 3 marks, and 3 plus 3 is 6, so I will give 4 marks here. So this paper is of 10 marks. Okay, now my question paper set, everything over from my side. So now check the answers once again, is everything correct? Now go upside and click on publish page. Okay, then click on publish, where you will get the URL. See, this is an URL 448. Note down this URL, or just message this URL to your student to solve this test. This is a link of your question paper. Okay, everything set. Now close everything. Now we will see how the students will solve this paper. Just again click on that URL. Student will click on the URL. See, in header your school name will display. Then enter your name, means student name. So enter the student name. I will enter my name here as a student. Click on start. Okay, see, your question paper will display. Match the following. Now student will select the answer from here. 2, 1, 3. Okay, which of the following is an input device? I will select the wrong one purposely. A keyboard is an output device. False. And computer is an electronic device. Okay, here is an long answer question. Write a note on supercomputer. Supercomputer is an fastest computer in the world. Okay, then when everything will over, student will click on submit. This paper gets submitted. Now see here, it shows the answer here only. This is correct, this is correct, this one is correct, this one is partially correct, and one question is pending. See, awaiting score means this question is pending for checking. So click on log out. Okay, when all students will solve this, as an administrator, as a teacher, I will type my password. Okay, just click on view result. Here you can see how many students appear this text, how many students attempted this test. So only one student is attempted now, and how much score she or he got. Then at what time the test started and at what time does test finish, and how much time that student take to complete the test. Now see, all these answers are checked, all these questions are checked, only one is pending. So okay, one question is pending, so click on that student name, go down, read the answers, okay, give the points. Suppose out of 4 I will give only 1 point to this answer. You have to manually give the score, or you have to manually type the points. Then click on save changes. Okay, now see, fifth one also check, that student gets 65% of mark out of 10. Okay, now you understand how to set the paper and how to check the paper. So in this way you can set the paper and you can check all the papers. So in this way you can set the paper by using test Moz. At last click on the logout to come out of it.